You're welcome back once again to another lesson in our graphic design training using our smartphone. I am John Apia, your trainer. Now, in the previous lesson, we learned how to import or how to bring our images into our work. Now, you see that the previous lesson, the image that we introduced was an image with a uniform background. That is, it was having a white background, the background one color. But there may be a case that you want to move a background, you want to have a background with, you have a picture without a different background, that's a different background, that you want to remove it and add your own background. So that's what you're going to do. With Pixellab does not have that effect or that feature there to remove background. But this is what we are going to use an external website to do that. So let's launch our browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. So launch your browser, and at the address bar, just type remove.bg. Then hit on enter, or you search. So this is the interface that you're going to see. Your interface may be slightly different because it may be because of your screen, but all they say, you need to see this feature there, that is the upload button here. We are not going to sign in, or we are not going to sign or log in. We just need to remove our background and we go our way. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the upload image here. Upload image. You are going to upload the image that you want to remove the background. So it will send you to your system. If you're using a computer, a phone, you have a slightly different interface, but all the same, it will send it to your system for you to upload your image. So let's go to where my image is and we upload it. Okay, so this is the image that we are going to use. So the moment you select the image will be uploaded, and automatically it will now remove the background from your image. Now you can see that the image is now there. So this is the image that we just removed the background. So you can see that the background was not uniform. So after the process, you can see that it's now removed. So after removing the background, the next thing you do is you download it. So you click on the download here, the first button here, you click on it to download, and it will be downloaded into your phone, or if you're using a computer, it will be downloaded into your computer. So when you want to see it, you go to downloads and you're going to see it there. So let's preview it and see. So this is what you are going to see at the end of your work. So this is how we remove image background. So there you have different background that you can remove. So with this one, you just remove the background, and you then go to your Pixellab and then import the image to work on it. Okay, so that was for this particular lesson. We'll continue in another lesson. Thank you.